Hi, I'm Alan Chen, and I'm the owner of the Lightning Gravity Gaming Company. And I'm trying to show you how to make a light uh 3D modeling setup for the Blender. And first of all, I might need a blueprint for modeling. That's an even square image of blueprint that is ratio 1 by 1 instead of rectangular shape, so you have to guess by 16 by 9 or something else with numbers. But 1 by 1 is obviously always 1 by 1 ratio if it's square. And the first of all, might want to 3D model the most sensitive eye perspective, like the top view and the front view. The side view are not that important to 3D modeling with. Uh, I said, yeah, because it's just not that important. The sensitive for modeling stuff. 3D modeling. I open my Blender. Um, I click Object. Add on layout, image, reference, desktop. Oh wait, don't do like this one. Do the eye perspective on top view instead. 'Cause one of my stuff is on top view. So add image reference like this. Go like, well, you can model 3D modeling on the viewport shading instead. I have to mix and match the X and Y axis or something like those with on this dot thingy like that. Let's hide this one now. I don't need this one yet. And drag it downwards so it won't block your 3D modeling. And this is the thing. So maybe -2 is easier without that many decimals. Uh, I th- okay. Click this object. You can duplicate object. Zero everything out. Zero everything out. Front view should be this side. So just rotate 180 and 90 like this. And go to front view. Move that around. Make sure it matches. Move it backwards again. Maybe mom is 2 again. And then here's a view like that, front view and top view. And view back to cube. You can 3D model with shader on point view or wireframe. You can click this item as an object mode and edit mode. And vertex. Um, Go to front view. For example, well, not real wire modeling yet. I'm just showing an example. Just shrink the size to like this or something, all evenly, and like this one evenly, like this. Just practicing maybe for you guys. Uh, like this. So I can see through with the wireframe, not the shader. You see the shader, you cannot see through what you're doing. So you always click wireframe. Yeah, something like this. Afterwards, you can hit. I can teach you how to maybe snap vertices right now. Meanwhile, this click manic move move this toggle on. Click the center and just attach it. I'm just teaching you how to code a sample. I mean, merge vertices. And well, this is two vertices inside. Like for example, if I don't highlight and select, it's actually two, which is wrong. So I have to merge these two together. Then go vertex, merge at center, and you'll when you click again without highlighting it, then it's one vertex now. Unlike this one, it's two vertices. That is not okay. You have to merge it together. Yeah, and basically that's around it. How to set up the vertices. I'm not set up the 3D modeling so far, but for our front row and the top view of 3D modeling, you can switch back and forth. Yeah, with the shade and wireframe to see what you 3D modeling with the setup to make sure what specifically know what you 3D modeling with. Yeah, basically it. Yeah, thank you.